Are you searching for an effective and non-invasive way to lift, tone, and shape your body? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best vacuum therapy machines that can help enhance your curves, improve skin elasticity, and boost confidence, all from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the MSK FX966, a multifunctional vacuum therapy massager for body contouring and rejuvenation. Designed for breast and buttock enhancement, it uses vacuum suction to stimulate fat absorption into tissue, improving shape and firmness. It detoxifies, boosts lymphatic circulation, refines pores, lifts sagging muscles, and smooths wrinkles. With heating and cupping functions, it promotes collagen elasticity and skin vitality. Ideal for body massage, shaping, and skin rejuvenation. CE certified and crafted from durable ABS material. Item number 4. Looking for a quick and effective way to enhance your curves? The Unoi MS21C5 vacuum therapy machine is your go-to solution for butt lifting, breast enhancement, and body shaping. With easy-to-use controls, an LCD screen, and a portable design, you can now enjoy professional treatments at home. Save both time and money. No need for expensive salon visits. Achieve a plump, compact butt and a confident, sculpted body with this powerful, compact device. Item number 3. The AOKO AFX024B Vacuum Massage Beauty Machine is your ultimate solution for body shaping, butt lifting, breast enlargement, and face lifting. With multi-size cups, S, M, L, this 65 watts power device delivers effective results for contouring and toning. Operating at a rated voltage of 100-240 volts, it is certified with CE, ensuring safety and reliability. Whether for personal use or beauty business, achieve a sculpted, youthful appearance at home with the AOKO Vacuum Massager. Item number 2. Introducing the FX029 Breast and Buttock Enhancement Machine, a powerful vacuum therapy device designed for body shaping and enhancement. With 35 cups and a 180-watt power, this portable machine promotes blood circulation, detoxifies the lymphatic system, and aids in slimming. It effectively targets excess fat, firms skin, and enhances body contour. Ideal for both home use and beauty salons, the FX029 offers safe, non-toxic results for breast enlargement, butt lifting, and cellulite treatment. Item number 1. The vacuum butt lift machine helps create a sculpted bubble butt by accelerating metabolism and enhancing skin elasticity. With customizable suction levels and 2 cup sizes, 21 centimeters and 18.5 centimeters, it ensures precise and effective contouring. Suction power up to 73 kPa delivers visible results, improving skin texture and firmness. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies operation, making it easy to adjust settings for optimal results. Perfect for professionals, this machine is user-friendly and efficient for butt lifting and skin tightening. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.